Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to access the user manual on your PANASONIC TN-43W70AEZ TV. So, you can access the user manual in your applications. This is a pre-installed application called e-user manual. And you can find it right between your Eco Dashboard and System Speedup applications. So just open this app, and here in this app you will find info about all of the things that you can do on your TV, as well as some licenses, specifications, info about your TV, how to perform a software update, for example, how to manage HBB TV system, how to use Google Cast, how to use CEC multimedia player. It's all here. And you can also use the search field in the top right corner of the screen to search for some specific topics. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.